You ever see a Vietnamese Phin coffee brewer?
Oh, okay, so I've seen many different styles of Phin. What does someone need to know about what is a quality Phin?
With the Phin, it's Vietnamese filter. We have like this, and it's easier for the people, the customer, just put the coffee inside, and then they pour the water, and then we have the coffee. Yes, we can make it right now.
How much coffee do you put in the Phin?
20 grams.
Recipe for a Phin drink style.
Oh, okay.
I have a photograph of it, so it'll take me a second to find it, but I'll forward you that as well.
Oh, awesome. Now, what are you doing here?
I put the water here. You see that we have this one.
So that starts to pre-wet the bottom of the coffee?
That's it, yeah.
How much water was that?
It's 40 for the first one, for the plumbing, and then 40 more.
40 more?
Yeah.
It's like how it holds so much water. There's no blockage on the bottom like a clever dripper. It's free flowing, but it takes that long to get through.
Normally, it's free pouring.
Actually, LIN brought for me for my Phin, but since you have more authority, she took the coffee that was supposed to be for me and she's making it for you.
Well, thank you very much, Lynn. Thank you.
So which coffee is it? My coffee.
Is there a particular amount of time for the brewing?
Yeah, it's around 4 minutes.
Around 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's finished. Normally, in Vietnam, we use condensed milk or a little bit sugar. But now we want to try the original one, so you can see about the flavor of the coffee.
There's kind of a pungency. It's definitely a tighter, deeper, more rocking. This one's a little bit more of a typical, like we do expect from a barista, a little bit heavier, rougher, more brute force. Definitely the kind of coffee you do it with a Café Phin, making with the condensed milk and things like that. That would be really there to help offset that heaviness. Lynn, how do you pronounce the Café Phin?
Café Phin.
How do you pronounce it?
Phin.
Phin, but how about Café Soda or that?
Vietnam Café Soda.
Yes.
Yeah.
One more time.
Vietnam Café Soda.
Okay, thank you.